I love it! Oh my word! Where'd you get this? Oh my goodness! Oh my word! I love it! I love it, you guys!
We didn't embarrass you in front of all your...
No! Oh my goodness! I don't care what they think. You better drive. Thank you so much.
Well, that's why I couldn't tell you what Daddy was doing.
Goodness, I love it, y'all.
It's neat.
Yeah?
Hey,
There
these
you
hold
are.
me down.
What? For real? Oh my goodness! I got my car!
Here.
Oh my word. Oh my goodness, it's so nice, y'all.
Would you like to say something about Parkway Chevrolet?
Parkway Chevrolet, thank you so much. I love it.
You got a bunch of homework?
No.
You want to go show Ashley?
Yeah.
She at home?
Yeah, she's at home watching TV. I love it. I love it. Ah, my goodness, I love it. It's so bright. It's so bright and yellow. Oh my goodness.
Look in here.
Look here.
This has things back here for these. You better turn the camera off and drive.
My goodness, aren't we just fancy? Goodness. Look over here.
Whoa! Right, get some pictures of y'all.
You make me
I'm upside down.
You better try.
Oh, one thing you don't have to
You're joking.
Parkway
Yes, you got
Chevrolet.
You mean you got chairs up here?